Good day, kids! Can you identify the place value of the said digit? That will be our lesson today. Our lesson for today is about place values of whole numbers. From the previous lessons, we have learned about digits, and digits are part of a number. At ang bawat digit ay may ibig sabihin. Let's take for example the number 456. Ito ay isang example ng isang 3-digit number. Let's have another example, number 56. Ito ay isang example ng 2-digit number. At ito naman ay isang 1-digit number. Ano ba ang place? Ito ay ang lugar ng bawat digit sa number na tinutukoy natin. Ano naman ang value? Ito ay ang halaga ng bawat digit sa kanya-kanyang pwesto. Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan ang lesson, kailangan ko si magic stick. The magic stick will represent the number in the number line. Ating lesson, ang tandaan nyo lang ay yung lugar kung saan nyo. Because for any place, there is a value. For demonstration purposes, we will color code the squares to represent the different place values of a number. Let's start from the right. The first place value is ones. Next is tens. And then the hundreds. There you have it. Ones, tens, and then hundreds. Kunyari lang, meron akong isang stick. Paano ko ito isusulat? Very good! The numeral 1 represents one stick. Paano naman kaya kung dalawang stick meron ako? Tama! Ito ang ating isusulat bilang numeral. At ang tatlong stick ay ganito naman maisusulat. Let's continue counting them. Paano ko isusulat naman ngayon kung nakarating na ako sa 9 magic sticks? Ito na ang mangyayari sa kanya. 9 sticks is equal to a numeral of 9. Ano kayang mangyayari pag nagdagdag ako ng isa pang magic stick? Paano ko isasaksak sa isang square? Remember that one digit is only allowed to one square. Remember that 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 has 2 digits already. Ano ang gagawin natin? I have here 10 individual sticks. The 10 sticks can be bundled into one. Paano na natin isusulat ang numeral 10 sa kanya-kanyang squares? Alam nyo na ba? Ooh, very good! Digit 1 is in the tens place, and 0 is in the ones place. Kapag tinanong sa iyo ano ang value ng digit 1, the answer will be 110 or merely 10. Let's move on to the next level. How about this number of magic sticks? Digit 2 will be written on the tens place, while digit 0 will be written on the ones place. How do you write this 3 bundle of magic sticks? Now we have 9 bundles of 10 individual sticks. Therefore, there are 9 tens or 90 individual sticks. Upang mas maayos tingnan, pagpapatong-patungin natin ang mga bundles ng ating magic sticks. Ngayong maayos ng tingnan, magdadagdag ulit ako ng mga magic sticks. 90 plus 1 is equal to... That's correct. How about if I added 9 more to 90? What will I write? That's right, 9 tens and 9 ones. How about if I added 1 bundle of 10 individual sticks? Therefore, there will be 10 bundles of magic sticks already. How will I write then? Yes, that's correct. Who got it right? We are now moving to the next level. The place value is called hundreds. Now, digit 1 is in the hundreds place, and the value is 100. Please be reminded that 10 bundles of 10 individual sticks is equal to 1 bundle of 100. Pareho lang ang halaga. Ito naman ang 200, 201, 210, 215, 30, 6, 236. This shows that digit 2 is in the hundreds place, while digit 3 is in the tens place, and 6 is in the ones place. Let's review. And this is how you are going to write number in words. It is being hyphenated. Now it's your turn to identify the place value of the following. The number is 745. Digit 4 is in the tens place. It has a value of 4 tens or 40. Congratulations kids! Ngayong alam niyo na ang ibig sabihin ng digits, place value at value. Yayain niyo na yung mga kaibigan at mag-join na sa ating I Volunteer for Filipino Children.